hello?
Yes! Hoobledy! Hoobledy! Wait, wait, wait!
Now, do you know anything about dancing?
Well, we know about ballet. We'll show you some if you like.
Oh, yes, please. That would be lovely.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun.
They know.
The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. Hello, Tiddly Peeps.
Hello, Ivor.
Want to do a hoopy hello?
Yes!
Hooble-doo! Hooble-doo! No, I wanted to talk to you about that, weird, wet, rain stuff.
Rain's not weird, it's fun.
Fun? Did you say fun? Did you hear that, Tula? Groove? Rain is fun! Wait. Why is rain fun?
Because it's wet and it makes puddles.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Hooble-doop, Tiddly-peep.
Hooble-doop, Tula.
What have you got there?
It's a book about the river.
Oh, that's lucky. I wanted to ask you about thunder. It's very scary.
You don't need to be frightened of thunder, Tula.
Oh, I don't?
It's time for Hoop News. Groove, groove, groove. Into the Hoobie studio. Oh, Wincy, Wincy, too.